What is up, people? My name is Kevin Castro, and today I'm going to help you spice up your playing by learning how to play one chord 4 different ways. And so the main thing is, when you're playing just your regular C triad or G, A minor, F, you can get tired of that sound pretty quickly. So today what we're going to talk about is how to add more color to your playing. So we're going to start off with that progression: C, G, A minor, and F. But instead of playing those triads, what we're going to do is we're going to use one triad in particular. So we're going to use the C chord, C, E, and G. So what I want you to try and do is play that in your second inversion. So that's going to be G, C, and E. And what we're going to try and do for now, just to start off, let's start off on a C chord, C in the bass. Just try to do an octave. If you can't do an octave, just hit one note, but C. Now let's go down to F. Let's see what this sounds like. So automatically, right off the bat, here's an F chord. Here's what this new F chord sounds like. And so this, if we actually give it a name, is an F major 9 with no 3. So you can get really complex sounding chords with this just by keeping this one shape. Let's take A on the root. This is now an A minor 7. G, C, and E, because we have the 7th right here, the 3rd is the C, the 5th is the A, and you have that A in the root. So a lot of people kind of wonder, like, how is this A minor 7? Just G, C, and E. As long as the A's on the root, it makes that chord. And the last one, we can do this C over G. Or if you want to add a little bit more crunch to it on that G chord, you can add that B. And it gives us this really nice sort of sound. So let's show you what C, G, A minor, F sounds like regularly using triads. Okay, so now let's try it with our new versions, our new colors. So C, G, A minor. Now you can add more notes to it. Let's try adding a D. Let's add a B now. And you can kind of have fun with it. That's just second inversion. Let's try it up in root position. Just C, E, G. And the reason why this sounds really nice is because our top note is kind of acting as that melody note. So the less that moves around, and it's just those inner voices that are changing. The inner voices are just the notes between the top note and the bottom note. That's what can make it sound really pretty and take you from sounding like a total beginner to a professional. And you can use any progression. So it doesn't have to be C, G, A minor, and F. So let's try it up here. Let's try up an octave, and let's just kind of have fun with this. So I'm gonna start off with F chord, up to C, down to A minor. Let's go to C over G, and then add that B in there. Here I'm just playing with octaves: low A, high A, low G. That's all you need. Go have fun with that. Go write some songs. Let me know what you come up with.